everyone, welcome back to the Bad Bug channel. My name's Evan, and on this edition of Tailgate Talk, I'm just bringing you kind of a random parts haul. My air compressor has been down, so that means that I don't have the power to use my cutting tools, and therefore we can't cut the floor pan and that back partial shelf out of Bad Bug. So we've got this video to kind of be a placeholder while I try to get that all fixed up, and then hopefully here in the next week or so we'll be able to get back to work on Bad Bug, cutting that crap out, and then it's on to welding, and then maybe paint. I don't know. But so today, these parts aren't anything in specific towards the look that I'm going for, that vintage speed look. These are just parts that we needed. First off, we got the dual carb kind of the papery gaskets. The kit came with the metal ones, but I've read some people prefer these, some people prefer those. The sense seems to go more towards this with as far as the leaks not being there. Of course, everything is, use it and then, it's all disposable, so nothing's reusable. Yeah, we needed some of this. The next part, the little clips for the chrome trim. Like all of the rubber on that car, the clips, the rubber grommets for the clips on the chrome trim pieces were original rubber. So when I was pulling the trim off when we first started the teardown, and then when I was pulling the little rubber grommets out, as I'm prepping for paint, they were just very cracked, and they just kind of broke down. So I can reuse a few of them if I wanted to, but I thought, well, let's go ahead and get some new ones. Next up, transaxle braces. I don't know if I got a good close-up after we pulled out the motor, but the little rubber brackets in that transaxle, A, they're covered in oil, and B, they're just broken down and squished. So we got some new ones. We'll replace those. I might make this an individual video. That's something that I have never done before. So these trans mount brackets, or grommets, or whatever you want to call it, we'll replace those. Hopefully that will kind of help with the shifting, because I've got some terrible problem. It doesn't like first gear at all. And lastly, this is that kind of tarboard backer that goes behind the motor on the firewall, and then on the little corner pieces on each side. Bad Bug has the big back one on the firewall side, but it's very old and starting to rot, so I went ahead and picked up a new one. I know a lot of guys, they will just go ahead and paint all that area the same color as the car, and that's a really good look. But I'm kind of going for more of a factory appearance, and I'm pulling out a lot of the sound deadening material in that car. So it's going to be a little bit lighter, but it's also going to be a little bit louder. So that exhaust that the car has is already pretty raucous, and you can hear it coming a mile away. But why not go ahead and get that in? At least it'll look good and provide a little bit of insulation from all that motor heat. So that's it. I picked all of these parts up at a local part shop, Roy Rogers in Springfield, Missouri. Those guys have been the best. They've helped our family out since my grandfather moved back here into Missouri and brought Bad Bug with him. They have been here for a long time, always super knowledgeable, super helpful, and always had this stuff in stock. We didn't have to order it and wait and pay shipping. And we're helping out a local business by doing that. My nephew actually works there now with plans to take it over. Come on, Steve-O. We need to keep that place going, because Steve, the guy who actually runs it, I think he's looking forward to retirement here pretty quick. So it'd be nice if my nephew could stay on and help keep that place open. So like I said, if you're in the Springfield area, Roy Rogers, that's the place to go get stuff, and I thank them so much for having all this stuff in. I know there's going to be several more trips up there to get parts like this, the little things that that I didn't think about when we're tearing it down. So yeah, it's great to have something so close to us that has all the stuff that we need. Well, that's it for this edition of Tailgate Talk, everyone. Thanks for clicking on that thumbnail, watching the video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. All that stuff helps to trigger the algorithm and make my videos get out there for everybody. You know, this channel is not a how-to channel. I would hope that that would be blatantly obvious by the fact that I struggle with everything I do. But it's more of a way to entertain and to kind of document, because this car's been in our family a long time, and you know, for future generations, whoever has it, it's there to just, you know, to go back and look at kind of how it was before. So that's it. All right, thanks everyone. If you're not a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Got lots of content for you to go back and catch up on, and there's more stuff coming. We'll see you next time, everyone.